everyone! Welcome to Kids Fun Learning. Today I am going to show you how to make a book. You will need glue, a piece of paper, coloring pencils or crayons, and pens. Have fun! First step is to fold every piece of paper. Pause the video and do that now. When you have folded all the pieces of paper like this, you will now take two of the pieces of paper, put one on the table or where you are, and put glue on one side. And then you stick it in. Pause the video and do that now. Third step is to write with your pen or pencil the title of your book. Pause the video and do that now. The fourth step is to draw a picture of your book and write your name. Pause the video and off you go. When you have finished drawing the picture of your book and writing the front cover of your book, you can now color in the front cover and stick in your pieces of paper that you will need for the pages, and draw the pictures and write it and color it in as well. This is a book I made for my sister, and it's called Lucas Loves by Rena Uzo. Let's read it. Here is Lucas. Hello. He's going to work. He's 24 years old. Can you help him find a baby? Lucas had to marry somebody before having the baby. Lucas is driving. Beep beep. He is hot. His hair is wet. Where is he going? Well, he is going to work. His car is big. A big car. Can you fit in it? At work, he meets a girl, a nice girl called Lucy. She is 23 years old. Lucas plays a trick on her. He. Does Lucy love Lucas? Come on, says Lucas. No, says Lucy. Lucas ran fast down the hall with Lucy. Yay! On the table, they don't talk. But Lucy lost her lipstick. Oh no! She was sad and her cat was sad. But it was in her pocket. Ha ha ha, said Lucas. I found it, shouted Lucy. Hooray! Can I marry you, said Lucas. Yes, shouted Lucy. So they did, and people came. Well, they kissed. An hour later, Lucy was pregnant. Ooh la la. She was having a baby. Uh-oh. The baby, yay! Shouted Lucas and Lucy. The baby did a poo-poo. Yuck! The baby is playing in the bubble machine. Goo goo gaga. Lucas loves Lucy. The end. This is the quiz. How did Lucas and Lucy run? Pick one. Quick, slow or fast? The answer is fast. Who wanted a baby? Pick one. Lucas, Lucy, or Lily? The answer is Lucas. How did the cat feel? Pick one. Excited, sad, happy. The answer is sad. Who did Lucas love? Pick one. Hannah, Lucy, or Lily? The answer is Lucy. I hope you enjoyed my story. Please subscribe. Bye!